Yeah, Nigeria on Monday hosted the big names in the Pan-African insurance sector. And Nigeria's Commissioner for Insurance was at the head of the table as the chief host, of course, to discuss a number of issues from the Lagos Plan of Action and what should be done around cross-border operations for deepening insurance market in Nigeria. Take a listen to Sunday Thomas, Nigeria's head of the insurance sector regulation.
As we may recall, there was the Lagos Plan of Action, which has been agreed as a critical agreement in the history of regional integration in Africa. The Lagos Plan of Action, which was adopted in 1980 by the then OAU Extraordinary Summit in Lagos, Nigeria, where it was launched as a special initiative, was a necessity for a continental and national self-sufficient and self-reliance continental economy. This meeting is giving prominent recognition it deserves because the time has come for regulators within the continent to have its own identity. This meeting today is deliberate to assemble critical stakeholders, which is the insurance regulators within the continent, so that we will be able to respond quickly and positively to emerging issues within the continent. It is now considered that a new Abuja agreement for the insurance within the continent should be able to empower and create that umbrella body that has been set up that will bring all insurance supervisory authorities from all parts of Africa for common objectives. There is no other better time than now that we need to ensure due consideration and adoption of insurance core principles, if you like, call it domestication of insurance core principles, on cross-border cooperations and coordinations, on crisis management, especially with consideration to the underlying benefits and the attendant implications of the African Continental Free Trade Area. Mr. President, delegates here present, as part of the delight of the National Insurance Commission Nigeria to support bridging capacity gap amongst members, this annual meeting will be complemented with a workshop session on index-based agri insurance. Of course, the choice of topic for the workshop is not unconnected to the priority of the federal government of Nigeria to diversify the economy and to boost its gross domestic products. And of course, leveraging on de-risking the agri sector. The penetration and insurance density in African countries remains very low. And this has been a source of concern to the various governments. It is imperative to state that Nigeria has in recent time incepted some initiatives intended to develop and deepen the insurance market in Nigeria.
Sunday Thomas, Nigeria's Commissioner for Insurance, that's the head of the insurance sector, is the regulator, the insurance sector, talking about the National or what we call Pan-African Conference of all insurance regulators on the continent of Nigeria, hosting that this week, started yesterday. When we come back, the UK authorities are handling gambling addiction. £100 million is on the table, which is special levies on gambling firms. How is this money going to be spent? The new report is out today. Take a listen when we come back.